Now there's an option to bulk edit your contact list when you need to add tags, delete some clients, or change some settings for them. On the contact list, you'll see some clients listed here. You can choose to view more clients as well. And then you can decide to select all. You can either message them, download these contacts, tag them, change their subscriptions, or delete them. So let's say you want to add everyone to your newsletter, so you can subscribe them to your newsletter. Out of the 37 contacts selected, 26 will have something applied to it that's a change. Probably the other 11 contacts are already subscribed to your newsletter. So you can apply it to all 37 by subscribing them. Likewise, you can also select them all and decide to message them, download these contacts, or add a tag from your list or create a new tag as well. You can also decide to remove these tags, so you no longer are using any of the tags that you have added here, so you can choose to remove this. And again, the system will show you how many contacts will be affected by this change. Now, you don't have to select all clients. You can also select the ones you need to specifically apply any changes to. You can also filter through, so you might be looking for a customer segment, a tag to be included or to be excluded, and those clients could be then edited as you wish. There's also a new option to find duplicates. So this will look for any details that might be duplicated or repeated within different accounts or clients. For example, their names, email addresses, and phone numbers. So if you find the same information, you can choose which contact you want to keep and which one you'd like to merge together. So in this example, we have the same phone number and we can decide to merge these, or we can skip it as well. If there are multiple duplicates that are found, that will show up as a separate group. So if you wanted to merge them, you can click both or all of the accounts displayed and then review merge. Here you can decide which will be the primary contact. So maybe this email is the correct one and the other one is a wrong accidental typo. And this way we can merge them together. Be mindful of what will be copied and not copied from the account that will be disappearing. So you might need to edit a few things as well.